Hi, I'm Jerry James Stone. In today's video, we're going to talk about the shelf life of butter. Let's get to it. So butter in the refrigerator will last only about 4 months. If you freeze it though, you actually get a considerably larger amount of time out of it. It'll last a whole year in the freezer. One thing that's key is that the butter has to be frozen the whole time. So don't thaw it out, refreeze it, thaw it out, and refreeze it. So you want to make sure that it's frozen the whole time. So depending on how you use your butter, you might want to cut it up and slice it up however it is that you're going to use it, whether it's for baking or toast or whatever, and then freeze it that way so you can easily pull out the parts that you want. If you're not going to freeze your butter, or you're not going to keep it in the fridge, which it's also safe to do, butter will last about 3 weeks at room temperature. And that's how long butter will last. Hey, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If there's something that you want to see, just drop a comment below. And hey, you know what? If you like to cook like I do, I release new videos every single week, so please subscribe. This is Nix. When she was very, very tiny, I used to like pick her up like this and pretend she was a taco. But now she's too big. She's more of an enchilada. You're more of an enchilada, babe.